Vani, you know your girl love you, right? You know me love you and baby eyes, but you have all of the shit cleaner them upstairs. PCA, CNA, LPN, RN, practitioner. Some doctors, yeah, they have to clean shit, Vani. But you know you have to fix that one in a mama, but you know really look good. We understand, so you know, cause the people, but sometimes you have to caution your word. Yeah, enough shit cleaning money you get, Vani, a lot. So you have to go make a little skit and appease them art. Please, for me, I beg you. Because you kind of touch my feelings, though. Yeah. See how me look? So my shit cleaning money. It's just the truth. So fix that for me and my girl, okay? Pure love me after you, but the one in the sound good. You rub the wrong up here, you stir up the shit. Calm the shit down. It's not nice. You wrong you for that, Vanny. That not cute. It's just the truth. You know me love you, right? Fix it.